The next word that they have given us, that is dictionary. A book that lists the words in a language in alphabetical order and explains their meanings, use, pronunciation, etc. Why should we use a dictionary? Sometimes, some of you don't go for tuition. Some of you have parents who may be working, they cannot help you in your studies. You may be studying on your own. Suppose you see one word which is difficult. So you can open a dictionary and find the meaning. Now, meaning, they might give you 2-3 different words to explain the same thing. That means it may have 2-3 meanings also, different meanings sometimes. They will also give you, is it a noun, adjective, how it is pronounced. In bracket, they will also give the pronunciation. So if you start learning to use a dictionary, it will be very good. Carry it along with you in school also. Whenever you read a storybook, when you learn a new word, always look at the dictionary, see what is the meaning. Of course, you can ask your teacher, you can ask somebody, but if you look in the dictionary, it will help you also in your dictionary skills. In a dictionary, everything is given in alphabetical order. That means A, B, C, D. But sometimes there might be 2-3 words starting with B. How will you quickly know, will this word come here or will it come there? Now, if suppose all words start with B, let us take bat, bug, but. Okay, now you don't know which one will come first. All are starting with B. At least if one started with C, then you know it will come afterwards. But you know that here, now we will look at the second letter. Now this is A, so we know that this will come first. Problem is now here both are with U. So which one will come first? So we see that G comes before T. So that's why this will come second and this will come third. Or you can take different words starting with different things. Then of course it is very easy. Suppose I took cat, dog, parrot, rat, apple. So now I know A always comes first. So this one will be first. Now A, B, C. So C has come here. So we will take this as second. After C comes D. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So P will come next, P, Q, R, and this will come fifth. So if it is different letters of the alphabet, also we know how to find it quickly. In your dictionary, it will be given totally in alphabetical order. When you read a dictionary and get to know the meaning, sometimes children realize मैं कुछ और ही सोचता था. They used to say संदर्भ के हिसाब से मुझे लगा ऐसे मीनिंग था. But that is wrong. Check in the dictionary. Now in the dictionary, if one word has 2-3 meanings, then also some dictionaries have sentences given along with it. Now, how to buy a good dictionary? When you buy a dictionary, if you are buying English to English dictionary, we are from the English medium school, so we should buy English to English dictionary so that we will get more words. That means we will learn one more word. Suppose they have given brinjal. Everyone knows what is a brinjal? A brinjal is bengan. In Marathi, they call it wanga. In Gujarati, they call it ringna. Now suppose brinjal is given. If I just write meaning, it is a vegetable. Is it okay? No. Now in the dictionary, suppose they have given you aubergine. So what will happen? You will learn one more beautiful word, one nice big word, and when you use aubergine, it will be very impressive. Instead of saying मैंने बैंगनी रंग का कपड़ा पहना है, suppose you say I have worn aubergine colored clothes, and people will say big words she uses because you looked in the dictionary and found the meaning. Sometimes one word which has different meanings given, for example fair. Okay, so the first meaning we know, it is opposite of dark. Second meaning we know, opposite of unfair. Third meaning we know, when you have a fun fair. So 3 meanings will be given. So if you think, oh, I only thought gore ko bolte hain, then you come to know, our teacher is very unfair. She is not at all fair. So you come to know, we are not saying wo ekdam kali kaluti hai. We mean to say she is very partial. Or we are going to the fair. So we are going to the fair, that means we are going to the fun fair. So you come to know that there are 2-3 different other meanings also to a word. Sometimes if you feel, I don't understand, in English they give difficult words, now aubergine is such a difficult word, so I still don't know what is brinjal. What is your mother tongue? Do you speak Marathi at home? So you speak Gujarati, whatever language you speak. You can try to get a dictionary also from your mother tongue to English and English to your mother tongue. Now, suppose I have a Marathi to English and I have an English to Marathi dictionary. How will it help me? Sometimes you think in your mother tongue. You think of one word, ह्याला काय म्हणायचं इंग्लिशमध्ये, and then you are stuck. So then from Marathi to English, that means half the section is Marathi to English. So you can check in the Marathi word and you can, suppose you know Vanga, then you will get the meaning brinjal. Or suppose in your textbook, you have a word called brinjal and you think we eat vegetables like brinjal, ladyfinger, and you don't know the meaning. So the English word you can look for and get the Marathi meaning also. So you should try to buy a dictionary which is both ways. Nowadays you get a dictionary which also has a CD stuck on the last page. Try to look for a dictionary of that type. You can run it on your computer and you can get the sound. Very often people will argue about how is this word pronounced, उसका उच्चार कैसे होता है, हमारी टीचर तो ऐसे बोलती है, वो तो वैसे बोलते हैं. Everyone speaks in a different way. Now suppose I write one word. How is this word pronounced? Schedule or schedule? The British people say schedule. So we Indians also say schedule. Americans say schedule. Should I say vitamin or should I say vitamin? So we are little confused. So in the CD, you will get the sound. You will get blue and red so that you know American as well as British pronunciation. Sometimes the American spellings may be different. So you be careful. If you are buying Oxford Dictionary or are you buying a Webster Dictionary, so you might find slight difference because of being British or American. But you must have a dictionary in your house always so that you can look up words. When you play games, you can play word games. Has everyone played Scrabble? Scrabble is a game, otherwise ask your parents to buy it for you. Instead of buying some electronic toys, video games, these are good for building vocabulary. When you make words and you fight with each other, no, there is no such word. So what is the best method? You take out your dictionary and you check, is there such a word? If it is not there, problem solved. If it is there also, problem solved, no need of fighting. Also, when we have all these dictionaries at home, when I said dictionaries, because as I said, you might need more than one. If you start learning French, then you need French and English dictionary. If you are learning Marathi, it is not your mother tongue. So you can buy one English and Marathi dictionary also. Or if you are learning Hindi, so you may be speaking Tamil at home, so you can buy 2-3 dictionaries and keep at home. You will get the words. Some of you will say, why to buy dictionaries? On our phone we get it. But then it doesn't remain in our head. That time we wanted the word, we quickly found it on our phone and then it's gone. But this way you write it down, then you also make sentence of your own using the new word that you learnt. Okay, so everyone start using a dictionary. Don't complain that my teacher doesn't give meanings in the classroom, she never explains. Help yourself. God helps those who help themselves. You have a dictionary, so you can help yourself to find the meaning.